Greetings, prospective Ripples. I'm Mrs. Edward and I am the proud principal of Fort Myers Middle Academy, where all of our students ride the wave to success. I'm so happy that you're stopping by tonight to find out more about Fort Myers Middle Academy before deciding where you want to spend your middle school years. Fort Myers Middle Academy has been serving our students since 1955. Odds are one or more people in your family or neighborhood went here too. We're so proud of our rich traditions and legacy and are also incredibly excited about the awesome new programs that we have implemented these past few years. Because we're a small campus of only about 600 students, we get the chance to truly know you and teach you like few other schools can. Here at Fort Myers Middle Academy, everyone will know your name and everyone will be invested in your personal success. When you come to school here, you truly will become part of the Ripple family. I hope that tonight you learn more about the Ripple Way and decide that perhaps Fort Myers Middle Academy is the path you should take towards your best future. I invite you to explore this open house website at your leisure, and then if you have any questions, you're absolutely invited to reach out to us by phone or email. We can't wait to meet you. Go Ripples!